The smartphone business in Kenya has changed many lives over the past few years. In towns, villages, trading centers, and remote rural areas, smartphones are now part of daily life. Farmers use them to check market prices and weather updates. Small business owners use them for mobile money payments and communication. Students use them for online learning and research. Families use them to communicate through social media and messaging applications. Because of this growing dependence on smartphones, mobile phone repair has become one of the most profitable small businesses in Kenya today. In many rural areas, people still struggle to access quality phone repair services. A person may travel several kilometers just to repair a damaged phone screen or replace a battery. This gap creates a strong business opportunity for anyone willing to learn mobile repair skills and serve local communities. Unlike some businesses that require millions of shillings to start, mobile phone repair can begin with modest capital and grow steadily over time. Many young people in Kenya are unemployed despite having education and skills. Others have jobs but earn very little money each month. Mobile phone repair offers an alternative path because smartphones continue to increase in number every year. Even people with low incomes are now buying affordable Android devices from brands such as Tecno, Infinix, Itel, Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, and Vivo. These devices eventually develop problems that require repair, creating consistent demand for technicians. One major advantage of this business is that customers need quick solutions. A damaged smartphone affects communication, financial transactions, entertainment, and business activities. Most people cannot stay long without their phones. This means that a reliable repair technician can attract customers very quickly and build a loyal client base within a short time. A successful mobile repair business does not only involve fixing phones, it also includes selling accessories, offering software services, unlocking devices, replacing batteries, installing screen protectors, and providing customer support. Some repair technicians later expand into laptop repairs, television repairs, security camera installation, and internet services. What starts as a small repair desk can eventually become a respected technology shop in the community. In rural Kenya, trust is extremely important. Customers prefer technicians who are honest, transparent, and professional. If you repair one customer's phone successfully, that customer will likely refer many other people to your shop. Word-of-mouth marketing remains very powerful in villages and small towns. A good reputation can therefore become your biggest business asset. Starting a mobile repair business requires learning practical skills. Some people learn through vocational colleges, while others learn through apprenticeship under experienced technicians. There are also many online tutorials and training platforms that teach smartphone repair techniques. The most important thing is consistent practice and patience. Smartphone repair involves careful handling of delicate parts and understanding different phone models. One of the most common repair services in Kenya is screen replacement. Many people accidentally drop their phones while walking, working on farms, traveling on motorcycles, or carrying out daily activities. Cracked screens are therefore very common. Screen replacement can generate good profits because customers are usually willing to pay quickly to restore their phones. Depending on the phone model, a screen replacement can cost between 1,500 Kenyan shillings and 6,000 Kenyan shillings, or even more for premium devices. Battery replacement is another profitable service. Many smartphone users complain about batteries draining quickly or phones shutting down unexpectedly. Since many rural users depend heavily on their phones throughout the day, battery problems create frustration. Offering quality battery replacement services helps build trust with customers and creates repeat business opportunities. Charging port repair is also highly profitable. Dust, moisture, rough handling, and poor charging habits damage charging systems frequently. These repairs often require less expensive spare parts, but still attract reasonable service charges. A technician who can repair charging problems efficiently can serve many customers daily. Software-related services are becoming increasingly important. Some phones freeze, become slow, fail to start, or lock users out after forgotten passwords. Software flashing, operating system installation, virus removal, and data recovery services can therefore generate significant income. These services are attractive because they often require skill more than expensive hardware tools. Data recovery is especially valuable. Many people store important photos, videos, business contacts, school documents, and financial records on their phones. Losing this information can be devastating. A technician who successfully recovers lost data can charge premium prices and gain strong customer trust. Many successful phone repair businesses in Kenya also make money through accessories sales. Accessories provide daily cash flow and increase overall profits. Popular accessories include chargers, earphones, USB cables, phone covers, screen protectors, Bluetooth speakers, memory cards, and power banks. Customers who come for repairs often buy accessories at the same time. The amount of money needed to start a small repair business depends on the scale of operation. Some technicians begin with less than 50,000 Kenyan shillings. Basic repair tools may cost between 5,000 Kenyan shillings and 15,000 Kenyan shillings. A soldering station may cost around 4,000 Kenyan shillings to 12,000 Kenyan shillings, depending on quality. Spare part stock may require between 10,000 Kenyan shillings and 40,000 Kenyan shillings initially. Rent in rural areas is generally more affordable than in large towns and cities. A small shop in a busy rural trading center may cost between 3,000 Kenyan shillings and 15,000 Kenyan shillings monthly. This lower operating cost allows small businesses to grow gradually without excessive financial pressure. Location plays an important role in business success. The best locations for mobile repair shops include market centers, bus stages, shopping centers, areas near schools and colleges, and places close to mobile money agents. Areas with heavy human traffic increase visibility and attract walk-in customers. Customer service is one of the biggest differences between successful and struggling businesses. Many customers fear being cheated or having fake parts installed in their phones. Good communication, therefore, becomes very important. Explaining problems clearly, giving honest prices, and delivering repairs on time helps create customer loyalty. Professional appearance also matters. Even a small shop should be clean and organized. Customers trust businesses that appear professional. A clear signboard, proper lighting, organized tools, and neat packaging for accessories improve customer confidence. Marketing is essential for business growth. In rural Kenya, social media marketing is becoming increasingly effective. WhatsApp status updates, Facebook groups, and TikTok videos can help attract local customers. Posting before and after repair photos, customer testimonials, and short educational videos helps build credibility. Word-of-mouth referrals remain extremely powerful. Happy customers naturally recommend good technicians to friends, family members, neighbors, and colleagues. Offering excellent service encourages repeat business and long-term growth. Some repair technicians increase profits by offering home or workplace repair services. Busy customers appreciate convenience, especially when they cannot travel easily. Providing mobile repair services in nearby villages can therefore create additional income opportunities. Power challenges sometimes affect rural businesses. Electricity outages may interrupt repair work. Some technicians solve this problem by investing in backup power solutions, such as small solar systems or power stations. Reliable electricity helps maintain productivity and customer satisfaction. Fake spare parts remain a major challenge in Kenya's phone repair industry. Poor quality screens, batteries, and charging systems can damage customer trust. Successful businesses therefore prioritize sourcing quality parts from reliable suppliers. While genuine parts may cost more, they reduce complaints and increase customer satisfaction. Technology continues changing rapidly. New smartphone models appear frequently, requiring technicians to keep learning. Continuous training and practice help businesses remain competitive. Technicians who understand newer devices usually attract more customers because many users prefer modern smartphones. Women are also increasingly joining the mobile repair industry in Kenya. Traditionally, phone repair was viewed as a male-dominated field, but many women are now succeeding as technicians and technology entrepreneurs. This shift is encouraging more young people to view technical skills as valuable business opportunities, regardless of gender. One important advantage of mobile repair businesses is flexibility. A technician can start small and expand gradually. Some people begin with a simple repair desk before eventually opening fully equipped shops. Others combine phone repair with cyber cafe services, printing, internet access, and mobile money agency services. Kenya's digital economy continues growing every year. Government services, online banking, e-commerce, and digital education are increasing smartphone dependence across the country. Rural users are becoming more connected to digital platforms, creating long-term demand for repair services. The expansion of network coverage also supports business growth. Faster internet connectivity encourages smartphone usage in villages and small towns. As more people rely on smartphones daily, repair needs continue increasing steadily. Another profitable area involves buying damaged phones, repairing them, and reselling them at a profit. Many people sell faulty phones cheaply because they believe repairs are expensive or impossible. Skilled technicians can repair such devices and resell them for higher prices. This business model requires careful evaluation of repair costs and market demand. Training others can also become a source of income. Experienced technicians sometimes open training centers or mentor beginners for a fee. Since many young people are interested in learning practical skills, training services can become highly profitable over time. Good financial management is very important for long-term success. Some small businesses fail because owners mix business money with personal expenses. Keeping proper records helps track profits, expenses, and inventory. Even simple bookkeeping practices can improve business stability. Saving part of the profits for expansion is also important. Many successful entrepreneurs reinvest earnings into buying better equipment, increasing spare parts stock, improving shop appearance, and expanding services. Building strong relationships with suppliers can improve profitability. Reliable suppliers often provide better prices, quality products, and flexible payment arrangements. Establishing good business networks, therefore, becomes very beneficial. Competition in the phone repair industry is increasing, especially in towns. However, many rural areas still have limited quality repair services. Entrepreneurs who focus on professionalism, honesty, and customer satisfaction can still build highly successful businesses even in competitive environments. Patience is necessary during the early stages of business growth. Some months may be slow, especially when starting. Consistency, reliability, and continuous improvement eventually help attract loyal customers and stable income. One reason mobile repair businesses succeed in Kenya is because smartphones are no longer luxury items. They are now essential tools for communication, business, education, entertainment, and financial services. As long as people continue using smartphones, repair services will remain necessary. The future of mobile repair in Kenya looks promising. Smartphone ownership continues rising, especially among young people. Affordable devices, mobile banking growth, social media usage, and online business opportunities are all driving demand for smartphones across rural and urban areas. For many young Kenyans, mobile repair represents more than just a business. It represents independence, self-employment, financial growth, and community service. A skilled technician helps people stay connected, conduct business, access information, and solve daily challenges. Anyone willing to learn, practice, and remain disciplined can succeed in this industry. Starting small should never discourage aspiring entrepreneurs. Many successful businesses in Kenya began with very little capital, but grew steadily through hard work and customer trust. Mobile repair services remain one of the most realistic and profitable business opportunities for rural Kenya today. The combination of growing smartphone ownership, increasing digital dependence, affordable startup costs, and steady customer demand creates a strong foundation for long-term business success.